Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I'll show you how I made these peppermints and these candy canes. The supplies I used: take a ball of white clay and form it into a cylinder shape. Set that aside for now. And then you'll want to mix equal parts translucent clay with red clay. And this will keep the red color from bleeding into the white once we mix everything together. And once you've mixed that, just roll it out into a long, thin snake. And I've rolled out 2 different thicknesses. I find it to be easier when rolling really thin pieces of clay out if you roll it out on a piece of paper. That way it doesn't stick to your surface and it actually absorbs some of the oils. Take your marshmallow shape and lay it right against the thicker of the 2 snakes, and then you'll just cut off 2 even length pieces. I would like to take a moment and welcome everybody to my channel. If you're new and haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, if you enjoyed my Halloween Spooktacular videos I did, where I made 31 Halloween themed earring videos, then you're gonna love my holiday themed earrings I have coming up. Starting tomorrow and for the next 25 days, I will be making holiday-themed earrings and jewelry. I will be releasing 1 video every day for the next 25 days. So please stay tuned. Just hit the bell icon to get notifications of when I upload videos. And then on the thinner of the snakes, you'll cut off 6 even-length pieces. Place the 2 thicker snakes of clay onto the cylindrical shape, directly across from each other. And then you can just pat them into place. And then begin placing on the thinner snakes of clay. You'll put 1 in between the 2 thicker pieces, and then 1 on either side, and then just repeat with the other 3 on the opposite side. And then you can just use your tissue blade to straighten out the lines. And then gently pull to stretch it out. And then just begin rolling it out. And that is how you make the candy canes. To make the peppermints, again you'll just take a white ball of clay and form it into a cylindrical shape. And then take equal parts translucent and red clay and mix it together. And this is my red and translucent clay. And then I rolled out some white clay too. Size this up next to your little marshmallow shape. And then begin cutting up equal length pieces. You'll need several of these. And then begin placing these on your little marshmallow. And you'll just alternate between the red and the white. And after you put the last one in place, gently press everything together. And then roll it out. And that is how you make a peppermint and a candy cane out of polymer clay. And please join me tomorrow and the next 25 days for my oh so cute holiday earrings. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!